Hello there, young mathematicians. Have you ever wished numbers could talk? What if they could sing and dance? In the wonderful world of number blocks, they can do all that and more. These colorful characters make learning math as fun as playing games. Each number block has a unique personality. One is a little lonely, but always eager to make new friends. Two loves to tango and make pairs. Get ready for an adventure as we explore how number blocks help us learn about counting, adding, subtracting, and more. It's a journey filled with laughter, songs, and amazing discoveries. Are you ready? Let's go. Counting is like learning the ABCs of math, and who better to teach us than the number blocks themselves? One starts the fun, then two joins in. We count along as more number blocks appear. We see patterns. 3 comes after 2, and 4 comes after 3. Counting helps us understand how many there are of things. We can count toys, cookies, or even the steps we take. Each number is important. With number blocks, counting is never boring. It's like a fun game we play with our new friends. Are you ready to count some more? Learning to add and subtract can be tricky, but don't worry, number blocks are here to help. When two number blocks come together, something magical happens. They transform into a bigger number block. This is how we learn about addition. 2 plus 3 equals 5. What about subtraction? It's just as easy. When a number block goes away, we are left with fewer. This helps us understand that taking away means subtracting. Number blocks make adding and subtracting fun and visual. We see how numbers change and interact. It's like solving a puzzle with our colorful friends. Number blocks don't stop at counting, adding, and subtracting. They introduce us to even more exciting math concepts. Have you ever heard of number bonds? Number bonds are like best friends who always add up to the same number. For example, 5 and 5 make 10, so do 8 and 2. Number blocks also show us how numbers can make shapes. 4 blocks can become a square. Math is everywhere, and number blocks help us see it in everything around us. With number blocks, learning math is an adventure, so keep exploring, keep counting, and keep having fun with numbers.